Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can fix nearby people not showing on your Telegram app. So the first step that we need to do is to check your internet connection. So internet connectivity must be strong for people nearby to work properly in the Telegram app. So if the internet connection in your phone is very poor or not working at all, then the people nearby feature will not be able to search for nearby users. So to fix this problem, we can do some test on your internet speed. You can go to fast.com to basically show if you have the stable internet connection. Apart from this, you can switch to another Wi-Fi or data connection so you can get the stable internet connection. Now, if the problem persists, the next method that we can do is by basically re-enabling your location on your Telegram app. So we can do that by going to the settings and then scroll down until you find the Telegram app right here at the bottom and look for the option which says location. And here just have to enable or allow your device to use the location feature. Now, another way to fix the issue is by going to your iPhone storage. So go to the general settings and then here find the iPhone storage and look for the Telegram app. So here, just have to look for the option which says offload app. So here we can basically delete cache or some of the data. And then once you tap on offload app, it will reset your application. And then you just have to reinstall it to your mobile phone and it should be fixed the issue. Now, if the problem persists, the next option that we can do is to update your application. Go to your App Store if you're using iOS and Google Play Store if you're using Android device and search for Telegram and just need to tap on the update button shows up right over here. And the last option that we can do to fix the issue is by rebooting or restarting your mobile phone. So hard press on your power button, and once you've done, reopen your Telegram app and it should be fixed the issue. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.